An Evansville man faces felony charges for driving an SUV off the roof of Bally's parking garage and into the casino's conference center. A police affidavit identifies the man as Jeremiah Oldham. He faces charges of criminal recklessness and criminal mischief. If you're cooking a big Thanksgiving meal, the city of Evansville urges you to recycle the oil and grease. The Water and Sewer Utility is conducting its 4th annual Used Cooking Oil Recycling Day this Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Sunrise Pump Station off Riverside Drive. Evansville Regional Airport has opened what officials call a state-of-the-art maintenance facility. The new 43,000 square foot building is directly behind the EVV terminal and replaces a complex of smaller and aging facilities further from the terminal. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.